Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the project precisely. Open Motion Ninja, tap the plus, and pick 16, 9, or a preset. Import your clips now. You can drag multiple files into the timeline and trim later. Set the frame rate, 24, 30, or 60, because once you cut, changing it forces re-render. Once done, arrange a rough sequence so you can see pacing. Make sure to save a project copy. That protects your source files and gives you a rollback if edits go wrong. Now you move into detailed editing. Use the razor to cut clips precisely and ripple delete gaps so timing stays tight. Layer assets, video, overlay, text, and audio, and set blend modes and opacity to control visibility. Use the keyframe editor to animate position, scale, and rotation. Keyframes let you craft smooth motion rather than abrupt jumps. Add transitions from the effects panel and tweak duration. This creates flow. Once applied, scrub the playhead to preview and adjust. To finish, open Export and choose MP4 with H. 264. Set resolution and bitrate for your destination. Lower bitrate for web, higher for archival. Check audio levels and final color grade, then export a short test clip to confirm playback and sync. If the full render fails or the app freezes, clear the cache and restart. Make sure to reduce bitrate or render in segments if memory is limited. Exporting in parts and then joining them prevents timeouts and preserves quality when resources are constrained.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.